Good morning. So the news is a little bit different now. As some of you know about Elon and Trump falling out, and Elon has said that Trump has something to do with the Jeffrey Epstein client list and just some mad shit. And then Trump is threatening to take away Elon's investment stuff and shit like that. So the market's going to be a little bit weird today. Trump has a call with Elon arranged, so who knows whether they're going to argue or make peace. Fucking, so it's going to make things a little bit tricky. I think that's why we've seen a big dip on crypto through the night as well. Yeah, I think just liquidity grab. Hmm, maybe not. Maybe not. But price did not break below this support, so maybe yes. Maybe yes. But right here, price action looks kind of like head and shoulders. Bear flag broken out, broke support here. So if this retests, this Bitcoin retests here, then yeah, we can go down. But I don't think that's going to happen. I think we're going to come back up. But yeah, back to gold. How we doing? Hello.
Oh, 2 minutes, mate. 2 minutes. Oh, that's the meeting. Turn it.
So gold in the 8 hour time frame. Now, I pointed this out yesterday. We've got this big bullish structure here. Now this is your big flagpole. There's your big flag. And the top of your flag, the descending, you have a breakout here. It's something I'm aware of because overall we're still bullish, and if we're going to come into uncertain times again, Trump fucking arguing with Elon, loads of other shit, gold maybe just go up fundamentally. Sounds like you're wanking. Hmm. I'm going to wait for price to come down to the zone here before looking. This here's no trade, no trade zone, no trade zone. This is where entry zone might not even be the entry zone because we might go further down. We might come down, fill this gap, hit this zone here, and with the fundamentals at the moment, it would not surprise me if we see rejection, then it still wicks down. So yeah, I'm going to be very careful with getting an entry when it moves down to here. Very, very careful. Even if it rejects, it will try to get us in, and then you get in, then it does the pierce, and then you're scared, and then having to hold to see if it comes back up. And fucking. So the news today, I think, could make that happen. Very random news that Elon Musk and Trump are falling out, and yeah, just the thing we need. Just to get to the end of the trade wars and shit like that, and then them fucking two cunts fucking start fucking bickering. Fuck off and let us trade. You know what I mean? Okay.
Good morning, bro.
Good morning.
My screen wasn't working there. That's me sorted.
Cool, cool.
I'm going to get caught up with you real soon, mate. Are you busy today even, or will we do something next week?
Pop over a day if you want.
Right, I might do that, but
There might be shite. It might be shite today though.
nah, but listen, it'd be good to get back into it for next week, mate. So I'll
Aye.
maybe try and pop over today. But I'll let you go on with your video, mate. I'll just shut up.
Well, I'm literally. This is me just jumping on the charts. I've not. I'm just looking at it and discussing it with you, kind of thing. This is
Sure.
what I'm going to try and start doing 3 times a week.
Cool.
Why then now you tell me?
Is
You got the whole strip on?
well, this drop. When I'm looking at this in the 4 hour, it was like this drop was meant to happen, right? Because look, you've got your ascending coming up. We're supposed to flag towards there structurally, then continue up. So this drop yesterday, when you look at it, it was meant to happen. It was meant to happen. I was just continuing to trade lower time frame, price action, and got caught out. Ew. So I want to see another test of this zone, maybe even fill the gap, just to get that out of the system. So once I see it reject, I'll be using lower time frame and waiting for rejection and manipulation and a bullish impulse away from that zone, and then I'll wait for a small flag and get in. Because I think trying to get an entry here would be very dangerous. Gold should go up on certain times, whatever, but then Musk and Trump have a phone call today. So for all we know, they could go, we were just fucking bombing everybody up, fucking let's just make peace. And then gold goes down, crypto goes up. So, and that's how quick it can happen. As soon as they've fucking hung up the phone, you know.
His Tesla stock took a doing yesterday, didn't it? It was 150 billion or something, wiped off 15%. Wow.
They went from $1 trillion company to $1 billion company. Oh no.
Better get a whip round.
Poor Elon, man, he better get a loan. Fuck.
Crowdfunded.
You want a funded account, mate? US 30 started to make. I mean, what I'm predicting on here is merely higher time frame, not for like a day trade. As you'll see, Dean, he's mastering the shit out of US 30, so that, and you'd have seen yesterday he had a buy up towards this point. That's literally your day trades, like we trade gold, just looking for a trade within that sort of hourly candle, not really worried about the big waves, because you don't need to catch that on US 30. His buy yesterday would have caught, we're at 350 pip. Just that's one candle.
I saw he's posted did pretty well on what 4 trades or something.
And I don't want them firing anything out just yet, because what that comes with, it adds pressure. So I really want them smashing it for a fucking month, if or two, if needs be, to really make sure nobody's going to be bothering him while he's trying to master it. So when the time comes, and he starts batting them out there, you know that, yeah, get them fucking on. Yeah, I think we're just going to keep ranging in between here. Probably get the sell down to this zone. I suspect maybe today through NFP, bit of uncertainty. Tesla stocks down. Elon's fucking arguing with Trump. Fucking other shit going on. War shit. India and Pakistan at war. Ukraine and Russia at war. Well, not really. It's NATO causing it. It's not Russia at all. Or even Ukraine. Ukraine don't have that many drones to take out fucking fighter jets. It's NATO. So, God, bullshit. But there's loads of shit going on, so gold could continue up, stock market could still crash. Structurally, I've still got this marked up. It's still price action. I'm not trying to ignore the fact, not ignore, but keep it at the back of my head for the moment. The fact that we've still got a big crash coming potentially. So look here, there was your big reversal. There was your double top. There was your breakout of this reversal structure. Here's your retest. So at any moment in time, this fucker can crash. At any moment in time. All it takes is the big news event, which looks like it's pushing towards now. This is the exact same as it done at COVID. Exact same. Like over here. There's your reversal. There's your big breakdown. What's that called? Aye, 2020. There's your reversal. Double top. Big crash. This was a crash here. This was, I mean, if you look at it, that's kind of not too far off the same size as the COVID crash, but this literally was a breakout to prepare for the crash. So we should see a bigger wave down. Even if it only waves to here, it's still a bigger crash than COVID if it waves down to there. And if it does only wave to there, it makes sense because investors will cash out here and get back in at previous highs, just like they've done at COVID as well. Got out here, got in at previous highs. So probably what we will see. Higher time frame wise. Could happen today, could happen next week, could happen 6 months. Market's the market. Overall, higher time frame wise, you must know what I'm meaning there. Well, look, it's clearly broken out of that structure there. Tested it. It's like we're just waiting on some news to make it happen now. So this move I have down, I'm confident of. The move I have up is literally just to go with price action. But if the news comes out in higher time frame, it might just end up breaking through that support and this support here. If it really breaks through the bottom one there, then that's it. We're away. We're gone. Trump compares Russia-Ukraine war to children fighting in a park. That's what he's saying on the news. And it's exactly that. Fucking bunch of cunts. Fucking war. I don't know if you guys have noticed, you guys that have been in the UK, but when I leave my house, I don't get much signal. And my Wi-Fi cuts out quite consistently the last few days. In the UK, I've been helping out Ukraine with the whole Russia thing, and Russia have threatened Ukraine with a cyber attack. So we may end up with no Wi-Fi and no phone signal for 2 weeks because of them. And that's no joke, by the way. They have actually said that the UK have prepared everyone for a cyber attack, but Russia are the ones who will be doing it. They're trying to cut the wires that are under the water, which is, that's what connects our Wi-Fi.
I heard that, mate, yeah.
Phone lines. China get caught trying to cut the wire in the Atlantic Ocean a few months ago. And it's not a wire.